Hello, today we will guide you through how to create wireframes in Lucidchart. To get started, open Lucidchart and go to your Documents area. This is the main workspace where your files and projects are stored, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create something new. Once you're there, look for the New button and click it to open the creation options. From the menu that appears, choose Create from Template. Using a template is a helpful way to save time, especially when you're building wireframes. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, templates give you a ready-made structure that you can quickly customize to match your needs. This is especially useful if you want to focus on layout and content without spending extra time setting up the basics. Next, use the search field and type wireframes. This will filter the available templates and help you find the most relevant option faster. After the results appear, click on wireframes to open the template preview or selection page. Take a quick look to confirm that you've selected the type of layout you want to work with. Once you're ready, click Use Template. Lucidchart will then open the wireframe template in the editor, where you can begin making changes. At this point, the template becomes your starting point for design. You can adjust the layout, replace placeholder content, and modify elements so the wireframe better represents your web page, app screen, or product concept. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to edit the template. As you work, pay attention to the labels, sample sections, and built-in structure that come with the template. These are designed to help guide your edits and make the process easier. If something is already close to what you need, it's often faster to update it rather than rebuild it from scratch. While editing, it can help to make small changes one section at a time so your wireframe stays organized and easy to review. This also makes it simpler to spot anything that needs adjustment before moving on. The main goal at this stage is to shape the template into a clear visual draft of your idea. And that's it. By starting in Documents, creating a new file from a template, searching for wireframes, selecting the template, and then editing it directly in Lucidchart, you can quickly create a polished wireframe foundation for your project.